Hello students, welcome to a short introduction to minor in robotics and automation. Kerala Technological University has offered an opportunity to its students to study multidisciplinary subjects through minor course. One such minor course is in the field of robotics and automation. The minor of robotics and automation is basically a combination of several disciplines like mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, computer science engineering, and electrical and electronics engineering. From mechanical engineering, the machine structure is studied. The electronics and communication engineering provides the low power circuit background for moving the mechanical structure. The programming is together done by the electronics and communication and computer science engineering. The power requirement is totally handled by electrical and electronics engineering. So as you can see, robotics and automation is a field that is multidisciplinary in nature and requires input from all these branches of engineering. For getting the minor degree, you have to undergo courses for getting 20 extra credits. These 20 extra credits is obtained by attending 5 different courses. The courses are available in the specialist basket, which lists 3 to 6 courses which is available for each minor. If you complete your minor degree, the final degree certificate will be mentioned with your qualification as BTech in, suppose if you are mechanical engineering, then BTech in mechanical engineering with minor in robotics and automation. Suppose if you are from electrical engineering background, then BTech in electrical engineering with minor in robotics and automation. This will also be reflected in the consolidated grade sheet that you get in your final year. The registration for minor is permitted only in the beginning of the 3rd semester. A student can register for minor even if he or she has back papers. The minor courses which are listed in the basket are only regular courses, and if at any time if you are not able to clear any of these subjects in the first time, there will be no supplementary examinations for the same. You will be discontinued from minor course only if you are not clearing any of these subjects in the minor course bucket. If you have any back paper in other regular subjects of your major program, it will not affect your minor degree. As you can see in this list, right from S3 to S8 semesters, various courses are listed. All in all, there will be 4 theory courses, one in each semester up to the end of 3rd year. After that, for the final year, you can carry out mini project either in S7 or in S8 semester. Only one mini project needs to be done. There is an opportunity for student to get minor degree by attending MOOC courses offered by NPTEL, which is approved by the Board of Studies and the Academic Council of KTU. In that, if you are having, out of these courses, you can do 2 subjects and 1 mini project, and the rest of the courses you can do as MOOC course, which will be available by the KTU. So if you want to study or get minor degree, the minimum you have to do is 2 theory subjects from this list and 1 mini project. An additional 2 courses can be done through MOOC or online classes that are offered by NPTEL. If you don't want to undergo MOOC course, you can attend all the classes for the 4 subjects as it will be offered by the college. After completion, the various job roles for a robotics engineer is in the field of robotics programmer, robotics system engineer, wherein the system engineer designs the whole system required for the robot automation. Similarly, we have robot design engineer post, which is again going or having the capability of both a programmer as well as a system engineer. Then automated product design engineers are those engineers who make custom products based on the requirement of customers. And finally, robotics test engineers whose main job is to test the robots that have already been designed. The various industries that are available in India, one of the major industries is Fanuc Robotics, who are spread throughout India. They specialize in big robot structures that require both mechanical, electrical, electronics as well as computer science background. Then we are having small robots which are used for warehousing. One of the companies that is there is the Grey Orange, which designs robots, movable robots that are basically used for sorting and packing the e-commerce products that we buy, especially from sites like Amazon. Then the big industrial robots are basically provided by KUKA Robots. Again, it's based in India. It's an international company. We might be thinking that this photo is actually belonging to somewhere outside India, but actually it is within India. Whenever people think of robotics, they always think that it's a humanoid robot like we see in movies, but 95% of robot activity or robot innovation is taking place in industries like this. If you come to Kerala, we have Sastra Robotics. Even though it's a company that is based in Kerala, it gets orders from all over the world to design products. And we also have companies which deal with mobile robotics or those robotic systems which deal with autonomous driver and assistive systems. One of the companies is High-Tech Robotic Systems. If you are interested in joining minor in robotics and automation, you can fill the registration form and submit it so that you will be allocated a seat for robotics and automation minor course. Thank you.